Good evening, I'm Lauren Culber. Thanks for watching tonight. According to the Burleigh County State's Attorney Julie Lawyer, the number of criminal cases put on her plate goes up 3 to 5% every year. And in tonight's top story, the higher rate is not keeping up with the workload. Renee Cooper tells us just how widespread the problem is. Renee.
Hi, Lauren. You can see the hundreds of cases stacked up on Julie Lawyer's desk, and while 3 to 5% may not sound like much, it adds up fast. And this directly affects all of us because cases are going on longer and many are waiting months and months to see their day in court and potentially clear their name. The lesser the offense, the longer the wait. The all-time low point for Lawyer's office was in January. They were down 6 full-time attorneys out of 14.
We were doing basically double the work.
6 lawyers was the quota in the Burleigh County State's Attorney's office when Lawyers started in 2000. And now she says the need is for more than their current 14.
So obviously the caseload has increased because it doesn't seem like my workload has gone down when we've added attorneys. We've added attorneys when we just can't handle the work anymore. And we're actually at that point again.
Lawyer's office isn't the only one dealing with the shortage. I spoke with several state's attorneys in western North Dakota. Stark County's Tom Henning says they are fully staffed. And McLean County's Ladd Erickson says they've just finally reached a point where they're nearing a full staff after raising wages. But I was told they struggled to hire for the past 4 years. Marlise Wilder with Williams County has it rough. She says in recent years, we have been much busier than past years. At one point in time, I did all the prosecutorial work in this office. I was the only attorney. I was swamped, but it was doable with 12-hour days and no vacations or time off to be sick. In Ward County, Rosa Larson says after 22 years working in the office, she's in the worst position she's ever been in.
Beyond busy.
She says much of these cases circulating her office are due to the revolving door and re-offenders.
It's nothing for us to have a defendant who has at least 2 files open. We have some defendants that have 8 open files.
Ward County would need 9 attorneys to be considered fully staffed.
This spring I had 5 open positions, and I still have 1, and the applications come few and far between.
And many of them are brand new.
It's a public safety issue. They can't make the legal arguments quick enough when things have to be decided.
Lawyer says attorneys in their office are getting burnt out due to the increasingly violent nature of these cases, making the turnover rate even higher.
There's been a significant increase in sexual offenses that have been reported, in violent offenses that have been reported, in the age of the victims that we're talking about too have gotten younger, it seems, over the years, at least is what I've seen, and it takes a toll.
Well, another piece of this puzzle, Lauren Larson says there are fewer and fewer people going to law school these days.
So what's the solution?
Sure. Well, both attorneys told me their commissions are receptive when they've needed more money for additional staff, but overall they say it's going to be an ongoing problem.
Yeah. All right.